Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, although Lionel Messi will turn 39 during the next World Cup and had hinted previously that this edition in Qatar would be his last, coach Lionel Scaloni wants him around for the 2026 edition. The 35-year-old on Sunday said he won't retire just yet after leading the Argentines to a first World Cup trophy in 36 years. The Paris Saint-Germain forward was asked about his future by Argentine TV station TVJ Sports. He turns 36 next year but believes he has plenty to offer his country. Messi says he enjoys being in the national team and wants to continue by experiencing a few more games as a world champion. Scaloni added that Messi's more than entitled to decide whether he wants to keep playing for Argentina or not, or what he wants to do with his career. In cricket, the West Indies women now trail their 5-match T20 international series against England women 4-0 after going down by 49 runs at the Kensington Oval in Barbados on Sunday. Captain Hayley Matthews, 23, Shemaine Campbell, 17, and Afi Fletcher, 14, were the only players to get into double figures against Lauren Bell, 4 for 12. Sophie Ecclestone also chipped in with 2 for 13 and Charlie Dean, 2 for 16. Earlier, having elected to bat, the English women were restricted to 131 for 8 off their 20 overs, as Shanetta Gremon and Cherian Fraser took 3 wickets apiece. Sophia Dunkley top scored with 35, while Catherine Brunt made 24 not out for the England women.
Yeah, I think our bowling department did a really good job today. The way that we bowled early on was really good to see, and yeah, I think just all around the girls did a pretty good job of keeping England to that 130 total.
The 5th and final T20 will be played on Thursday. And England will enter day 4 of the 3rd test against Pakistan, needing just 55 runs to secure a historic 3-0 sweep in Karachi. Set 167 runs for victory. England men reached the stumps at 112 for 2, with Ben Duckett 50 and Captain Ben Stokes 10, the batsmen at the crease. Zach Crawley 41 and Rayan Ahmed 10 are the wickets to go so far, both falling to Abrar Ahmed. Earlier, resuming the day at 21 without loss, still trailing by 29 runs, Pakistan were dismissed for 216. Captain Babar Azam top scored with 54, while Saad Shakil made 53. This as debutant Rayan Ahmed bagged 5 for 48, while Jack Leach picked up 3 for 72. Scores in the game: Pakistan 304 and 216 all out. England 354 and they are 112 for 2 at the end of day 3. This will be only the 4th time that England have managed to win 3 or more matches in a test series against Pakistan in 27 meetings. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.